Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to turn on grid. So you can go to new file, and if you want to turn on grid, you can go to view menu, click on the grid option. So to be show grid into your canvas, and if you want to setting this grid, you can click view again and then click grid or ruler bar settings. So you can click here for grid settings. Like I will change for gap. You can set into 50. So the gap will be changed, or for division set into 10. And if you done, you can click OK to change the grid settings. Okay, that's it for basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to turn on grid.